Hello everyone, my name is Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This YouTube is dedicated to making 100 videos in a year. This year I have decided to make 100 dishes for my family and also to make 100 YouTube videos. So today I'll be posting my second dish. So what do you think is my second dish? This or this?
Keep guessing! For this recipe, I'll be using 10 small-sized potatoes, just like me, 1 cup corn flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 medium-sized eggs. So, have you guessed what it is yet? It's gnocchi! Little potato gnocchi. Why couldn't the chef get back to his house? Tell me what you think in the comments below. You can boil the potato in the pressure cooker for 3 whistles. I can't whistle, I'm sorry. But you know what I mean. Peel off the potato gently and mash it. I think you can do a better job at mashing. I'm just lazy. So I made a little boo-boo here. The first step is to add in the salt to the potato, knead it, and then you crack in the egg, knead it again. The last step is to add in the flour. So in the mashed potato itself, you have to add in the salt and egg first, then you add in the flour. So this is the result of my dough, unfortunately. Cut the dough into 4 equal halves, like I would for a cake, and I would eat them all. Roll that 1/4 of the dough into a snake-like shape and cut them into small pieces, just like how I am doing with the fork. Use a fork to give a fancy shape to the gnocchi. Maybe a little better than mine. I bet it'll be a lot better than mine. Additional tip, make sure that your fork has some flour on it so it doesn't stick on the gnocchi. Sprinkle some love on the gnocchi, flour, and let it sit for 20 minutes. In a pan of boiling water, add some oil because the gnocchi like to be cozy and stick together. Add in half a teaspoon of salt and see those baby gnocchi float. Swim, my little gnocchi, swim. Bring out those little gnocchi from the water bath. In the pan, add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, 1½ cup of tomato puree, and some herbs. I use 1 tablespoon of oregano and basil and some dash of red chili powder. Add half a cup of water and your sauce will be ready. Add the sauce to the gnocchi and some more herbs. For that extra kick, you don't need to play football, just add in some Tabasco. And ta-da! Gnocchi! Why couldn't the chef get back to his house? Because he had gnocchi!
Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys taking out this time to watch my video. Please like, share and subscribe and share this journey of mine. Thank you. And please add me on my Instagram. At the beginning of this year,